Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I am working on a 2013 Nissan Altima. This is the V6 3.5 liter. I'm going to do the engine air filter. First thing you want to do, pop the hood, support it. The hood pops right here. The air box is going to be on the driver's side behind the battery. This is the battery. Air box right here. It doesn't require a tool. It does not require a tool. It's just these two clips right here. 1, 2, lift up like that. The filter's right here, just like this. Then you grab your new filter, place it in there, just like that. Make sure it goes in. Then behind here, the box here, you're gonna have these two tabs. There's these two tabs right here. 3. 1, 2, 3. The top cover slides in those tabs. Then once it drops in like that, these two tabs right here, lock it. That's it. That's how you change the intake air filter on your Nissan Altima V6 3.5 liter. Thanks, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.